Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Guys, if you or someone you love has the asthma problem, you know how important it is to avoid the triggers. And one sneaky culprit that could be lurking right in your own home is the dust mites. Yep, these tiny, almost invisible creatures could be causing those asthma flare-ups without you even realizing it. So in today's video, we will uncover how dust mites affect asthma and share some practical tips on how to prevent them from wreaking havoc on your lungs. So let's dive in. So first, let's see what are dust mites. First thing first, what exactly are the dust mites? Dust mites are microscopic bugs that thrive in warm, humid environments. Think bedding, carpets, and upholstery. They feed on dead skin skills, which we shed consistently, making your home the perfect butter for those little guys. While dust mites themselves are not harmful, they produce waste particles that can trigger allergic reactions in sensitive individuals. And for people with asthma, these allergens can lead to a serious flare-ups. So, how dust mite cause asthma attacks? How do these tiny creatures cause such big problems? When you inhale dust mite allergens, your immune system reacts as if it's under the attack. This causes inflammation in your airways, which can lead to asthma symptoms like coughing, wheezing, shortness of breath, and tightness in the chest. In some cases, these reactions can even trigger an asthma attack, making it harder to breathe and leading to an emergency situation. So, one of the key allergens produced by dust mites is a protein found in their feces and body parts. When dust mites shed their skin and waste, these particles become airborne and are easily inhaled, especially in places where there is a lot of dust or poor ventilation. This is particularly problematic for people with asthma or allergies as their airways are already sensitive. So, how to prevent dust mites from triggering asthma? Now that we know what dust mites are and how they affect asthma, let's talk about the prevention. Don't worry, you don't need to move to a dust free bubble. There are some practical steps you can take to reduce the dust mite exposure in your home. So, first tip is wash bedding weekly in the hot water. Dust mites love your bed, so make it a priority to wash your sheets, pillowcases, and even blankets at least once a week in hot water or at least 130-degree Fahrenheit. This temperature is enough to kill dust mites and remove allergens. Second tip is use dust mite proof covers. Invest in the dust mite proof covers for your mattresses, pillows, and comforters. This covers acts as a barrier preventing dust mites from settling in your bedding. They are breathable so you won't feel trapped, but they will keep the allergens away. Third tip is keep your home dry and well ventilated. Dust mites thrive in humid environments, so using a dehumidifier in high humidity areas like the bathroom or basement can help keep the dust mite population down. Regularly ventilating rooms and using air conditioning in the summer can also reduce the moisture in the air, making it less inviting for the dust mites. Fourth tip is clean regularly but smartly. Vacuum your carpets, rugs, and unpolished furniture regularly using a vacuum cleaner equipped with a HEPA filter. This helps trap the allergens and prevents them from spreading. If you can, try to minimize the use of carpets in your home, especially in the bedrooms, as they can trap dust mites more easily. Fifth tip is reduce the clutter. Dust mites like to hide in the clutter, especially in areas where dust collects easily. Decluttering your home not only makes it look easier and tidier, but also reduces places where dust mites can thrive. Keep things like the stuffed animals, heavy curtains, and fabric covered furniture to a minimum, especially in rooms where you spend the most of time. Sixth tip is keep pets out of the bedroom. If you have pets, it can carry dust mites on their fur, and their bedding can be a heaven for these little creatures. Keeping pets out of the bedroom is a simple way to reduce the risk of asthma triggers related to dust mites. Seventh tip is use allergy friendly air filters. Consider using an air purifier with a HEPA filter in your bedroom and living areas. These devices trap airborne allergens, including dust mites particles, and can help improve overall air quality, especially for those with the asthma or allergies. So, guys, there you have it. Dust mites might be tiny, but they can have a big impact on your asthma. By following these prevention tips, you can create a healthier home environment and reduce the chances of flare up. So, if you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button, share it with anyone who could benefit from this, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and tricks. Stay safe, breathe easy, and I will see you in the next video.